อยู่อย่างเดียวแล้วกัน
Okay, so this is the user interface. So this is the home screen. Okay, it can show you the zone. Okay, from Firefly drawing. Filter 1, zone 1. Filter 2, zone 2. Yeah, and the near to the control one is zone 2. This one is zone 2.
This one is zone 2.
Yeah. The far one, very far.
Very far, the one.
One.
Oh, one.
Yeah. One. Okay. So this one is the one, very far. Two is the here filter. Okay. So now it's green color. Green color, that means okay. Okay. If you click into this zone, stop. You will see all the components connected to the zone. Okay, that means zone 1, one detector, one sensor, and 3 soldering valve, spraying motor. This one is the process stop signal to your interlock the machine. Okay, so this is the overview. This is the event log. It will show you what is the event record.
Record.
Yeah, record.
But fire.
But now no record because I clean the history already. Yeah, if you have fire, it can show you what time, what date, what fire, or what the information will be recorded here. Then the next operation mode. This one is very important because sometimes you have maintenance and you need to off our system because any detection, any fire, it will spray water for 2 seconds. So if you have maintenance or you have welding, so you need to off our system if you don't want the water to spray. This one, normal mode, you have water, you have interlock. Okay. Deactivate mode, no water, no interlock signal. But like deactivate our system, but the sensor will still record, but no water.
We want the check can there. This.
Yeah. If you want to change, you just click this. If you want to change to normal mode, you click this. Yes. Yeah. Everything green color, green color. So now you will have water, you will have the interlock.
Okay, I know.
This one is the service mode. You can pick those output that you want. If you go to here, yeah, that means you can off one by one. Yeah, this one is off one by one. This one is off together.
Together.
Yeah, together.
Together off.
Yeah, together off. This one is off one by one. This one is everything on, all on, all off. This one is on, off. You set. Yeah. But I recommend you to use this.
Yes.
Yeah.
This same.
Yeah. Okay. Open this. Yeah.
Application mode.
Yeah. Operation mode.
Application view.
Application view is the drawing is. You can see the drawing here, so it's not here. It's not here. This one is not important. This one is Firefly used. Okay. If you go to overview, if you click into the detector, it can show you some information of the detector, temperature and the humidity. Yeah. Temperature now is 43 degrees Celsius outside.
This how many abnormal?
Our sensor can last until 60 degrees.
60.
Yeah, 60. Yeah. 60. If 60 for a long time, it maybe can damage our detector. Okay. Too hot. Yeah. Okay. This is the history.
Send this okay.
Yeah. Now it's okay. Okay. Humidity. If this one more than 90, not good. 90. Yeah, because 90. That means maybe you have water inside because now it's 3. Yeah, we have put the silica gel back. Yeah, to absorb the humidity. Yeah, so now it's very good, less than 5. Okay. Here you also can see the record of the detector. Yeah. Okay. Home. Come back away. If you click again, show you a very small thing. If you come back, show you very big. Just some. Can show you some very small.
Battery inside how long?
Oh, battery 3 to 4.
3 to 4
hours. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This one zone 2. Same. Everything's the same. 1 detector and 3 nozzle. Same.
Is a zone 1 or zone 2 the same?
Yeah, same. Zone 2 is the near. Zone 1 is the very far.
Very far.
Yeah. This one is the pressure switch. Pressure switch installed at the tank. I have some picture. Tank. You have one pressure switch.
Where?
This pressure switch beside
Pressure switch?
Yeah, beside the tank to tell you when there is no water pressure. If the water pressure drop below 5.5 bar, it will give you alarm.
Oh, can you?
I can show you the alarm. If the cable is broken, it will show you alarm also because you connect this here. If I take out, oh, you see yellow color, something wrong. So you see, oh, what's wrong? This, click this yellow color, HPA, yeah, pressure switch, pressure alarm. Fourth, yellow color. That means the pressure is low. So you need to check the pressure. Yeah, because Firefly need 6 to 9 bar. 9 bar. Yeah, so for you to spray the water in a good spray pattern, so the water is good, big. Okay. So after the pressure, you put back the pressure. Okay. So you will see green color. Here is the button.
Clear.
Yeah. You try. Oh,
okay.
Go back to normal. Okay, so everything is good again. Yeah, this one go back. Go back. Yeah, this one just the signal from the pressure switch. Yeah. What?
Different, not like one time.
Yeah, okay. This one, yeah, nothing also. Because this is just the signal from the pressure switch. Yeah. Service mode. Okay. You need to go to operation mode. Okay. Operation mode. Yeah. Normal. Yeah. Okay. If you want to, because number 1 and number 2 is different filter.
Oh, different.
Yeah. So if you deactivate number 1, number 2 still spray water. Okay. Number 1 no water. Okay. So they are separate control. Okay. And another one will be how to turn off and how to turn on, because our battery can only last for 4 hours. So if the power supply is off for a very long time, it will drain the battery. It will use the battery power. But if the battery power going to finish soon and it cannot support the main board anymore, it will disturb some setting of the mainboard. So if the power shutdown is very longer than 3 to 4 hours, we recommend you to turn off Firefly system and off everything to protect the computer. Okay.
Okay.
So the next time power is on back, then you on the computer again. Yeah. Okay. Now, how to shut down? You go to zone 1. Actually, you can go to any zone. Any zone. Go to this zone. Okay. Go to operation mode. See the fingerprint. Okay. You need to press this until this thing pop up. Yeah. No password. This show restart button. Then you go to setting. Go to screen. It will show you the shutdown, activity, auto start. It will give you the setting. Okay. Normally this one does not come out one.
Oh, okay.
It only come out one time. You see. Normally you cannot shut down.
Okay.
Yeah. You need to go to one zone, operation mode, fingerprint, show restart button, setting. Okay, it come out one time. Okay. Remember, you need to check this because this is the auto start. The next time, after you off this computer, the next time it will auto start. Yeah. Because if you forgot, and I mean, if you accidentally click the disable the auto start, the next time it will not auto start. The next time you need to connect internet and tell me I can help you to start. Yeah, because we have internet. At Malaysia in the office, I can team viewer I can control. Okay. This must be checked and shut down. Shut down computer. Yes. Off. Like Windows 7.
Windows 7.
Yeah, this is Windows 7. Take a long time. Okay, after the screen turns to black color, you need to go to the main board, on and off.